So alright, you want to understand what is a cell. Basically, a cell is a functional and structural unit of life. What does that mean? This means that a cell is able to perform all the kind of necessary function of life. If you compare a cell with a brick, like cell is the smallest unit of living organism. If you compare a cell with brick, then we can say by the repetition of brick a wall can be formed. Similarly, we can say by the repetition of cell an organism is formed. An organism is what? An organism is composed of cells. Now let's come to the classification of a cell. A cell can be classified mainly into two categories. First one is prokaryotic and the another category is eukaryotic. So the word prokaryotic means without nucleus and the eukaryotic means with nucleus. Karyotic, which is suffix here, means nucleus. The word karyon means nucleus. So prokaryotic means without nucleus or before nucleus and eukaryotic means with nucleus. Before we deep dive into prokaryotic and eukaryotic further, we have to understand cell theory. Cell theory is a core concept in the cell biology. So what this theory says? This theory says that first of all, this theory was proposed by Sladen and Swan. So this theory says that all organisms are made up of cells and product of cells. All organisms are made up of or composed of cells and product of cells. But however, this theory doesn't explain how new cells arises and how new cells are formed in our body. So in 1885, for the first time, a new scientist, Rudolf Virchow, proposed modern cell theory, according to which new cells arises from pre-existing cells. He explained it in his own language, omni cellula e cellula. If we translate it into English, then we will say that all cells arises from pre-existing cells. So if you guys like our videos, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you.